Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV. Just wanted to let you know about a super exciting competition that I'm running. I'm about 20 subscribers short of 10,000 subscribers. For the last couple of weeks on Facebook and Instagram and also on Twitter, I've been running a competition that many of you on YouTube may not be aware of. So I just thought I'd do this quick little selfie video to let you know about it. To celebrate the fact that we're just coming up to 10,000 subscribers, I've got over £600 worth of T5 and T6 goodies to give away thanks to 4 partners of the channel. I'm really thankful for their partnership. I'll just quickly show a couple of pictures of the things that have been donated. So we've got £400 worth of speakers donated by Skipton Car Radio. There are Sato speakers for T5 or T6. You can choose which van you want them for. They're high-end front cab speakers. They come with collars as well. That's an amazing prize, and they've been very generous with that. The next prize is an external cab blind by Creative Covers. It's one of their brand new designs. It's waterproof, complete blackout. It's a great bit of kit, and my very next video after this video is going to be a review of this brand new product that they've got. So that's a brilliant prize. The next prize is a merch pack from our friends at Heritage Parts Centre, and that'll have a t-shirt and some branded stuff like pens and air fresheners and all sorts of bits and bobs like that, key rings. And then the last prize is from our friends at Travelling Light Transporters. They've very kindly chucked in a front splitter. So if you've got a T5 or a T6, you get to choose which one you want. And it's a front splitter. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I'm really thankful for all 4 partners and their generosity in that. So the deadline for the competition is the 16th of July. That's when a winner is going to be chosen. And the way that you can enter, there's a link in the description. If you go down to that, just click on that. And then what you need to do, there are 10 actions you need to do on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, a list of 10 of those, and you just go through each one. It's basically following and liking all of my socials, and the same for my friends that have donated prizes. And then once you've gone through all of those 10 stages, the website logs that, it puts you into the prize draw, and then on the 16th of July, I'm going to click on a button. It'll randomly pick a winner who I'll get in touch with, find out whether you want your prizes for a T5 or a T6, and then all of these companies will send directly to you these wonderful prizes. Over £600 worth of stuff to be won by one very lucky subscriber. So guys, thank you so much. It's taken 4 years for me to get to 10,000 subscribers. When I first got to 1,000 subscribers, this was the goal, 10,000 subscribers. I haven't set another goal yet. I'll wait till we hit 10,000 subscribers. I might do a little whoop video. But guys, thank you so much. Please do enter, make use of the competition. You never know, you might be that lucky person. And so guys, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace out.